I spent my life building a life for me, tidy and safe, everything in its place, the way it should be. Nothing was wrong.
Thank you all for coming. Give yourself a round of applause. Ashley and Michael are standing before you today because they have decided to join their lives together.
But something just was not right. Didn't know it was dark in that room in my heart till you turned on the light.
After today, Ashley and Michael will not just be a couple. They will be a family, a single entity held together by love and devotion.
I'd give up anything for you, but I would not give you up for anything.
Ash, as we all know, is one of the most selfless people there is. She has always prioritized everyone else's happiness over her own, and tonight we honor her. Speaking of selflessness, let me tell you a little bit about my little sister. A person really can love ketchup that much. And chicken tenders are life. Jackets are only temporary, and socks are not meant to match. And I'm so happy that she found someone to be by her side, a partner that will always be there for her. Here's to Ashley.
I never knew how beautiful life could be. You rewrote the rules, and I was a fool till you made me see.
Together, you are the beginning of a big idea. The twinkly bits that hang in the sky after the fireworks go bang. Cold, thin air at the top of a mountain. But only two people in a crowded room. A decision which, looking back, will seem to be the most excellent one we've ever made.
I'd give up anything for you, but I would not give you up for anything.
Ashley, I give this ring to you.
As a promise to always make our house a home.
With you, Luna, and Sunny.
And all of those who may join along the way.
On and off the trail.
Promise to be your partner. Not only in life and love, but in fun and adventure.
Together forever.
I'd give up anything for you, but I would not give you up for anything.
You both have declared your intent to marry. You have promised to be committed to one another, and you have exchanged the rings. By the power vested in me, in me, by the state of Tennessee and the American Marriage Ministries, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Michael, you may kiss your bride.
For you, but I would not give you up for anything. I'd give up anything for you, but I would not give you up for anything.
We first met 2015 at Quicken Loans. There we go. And a few weeks go by, and I noticed, Sliz and our friend Tony, who unfortunately couldn't make it tonight, I noticed they're doing way better than everybody in our class, and I'm wondering how does what are these guys doing? Why are they outperforming everyone? So I talked to them. I found out they're there till midnight every night. And I was like, well, I guess if they're outperforming everyone, that's what I have to do. I have to join them and stay till midnight every night. So if anything, the number one thing that I love about Sliz, and everyone can contest to this, is he's the hardest worker I know. And I'm sure all these guys would second that. He is literally the hardest worker I've ever met.
I give up anything
Yeah, that's great.
for you, but I would not give you up for anything. I give up anything for you, but I would not give you up for anything. I would not give